Hi, Alan. Welcome to Health Impact West here in Anaheim. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Thank you, Shahid. So I thought I was going to be a doctor. I hit chemistry and biology in high school and said, okay, doctoring wasn't for me, but how do I stay in the helping profession? So my whole 25-year career has been in the integration of technology and healthcare, and really enjoyed how the impact technology can have in healthcare. Currently, I'm helping go-to-market strategies for companies that sell things in healthcare but don't know how to sell in these new world order around fee for value. So how do you then take what you do and change it, morph it slightly to be able to address this new world order in healthcare?
Yeah, that's actually a very, very important topic. And so when you look at an event like Health Impact, what do you think about its format, its style? Do you think it's different, about the same as other conferences? Tell us what your thoughts are in general.
Well, I've been participating actively in all of the conferences for about 3 years now, and I really think it's dramatically different than a lot of the other conferences. You always talk about no BS in the conference, and I think that has a tremendous impact. And what really is nice is it's not a one-way presenters talking to the audience. It's really, truly a two-way street talking about here. And the concept of no PowerPoints, because the minute you have PowerPoints, the minute people are reading off PowerPoints, the minute everyone is on their phones and the heads down. And you don't have that here. You really have people engaged in the topic, wanting to ask questions and really involved in the whole process. So I really enjoy that. I really enjoy the ebb and flow of, sometimes we have questions we're going to address, and yet we hear what the audience says or we hear what other people say, and we're able to pivot as we're doing it and be able to react to that and react to the audience.
Yeah, and that makes that experience for the audience a little bit richer.
Correct.
Because the speakers don't know what to expect and the audience doesn't know what to expect.
Right.
We get to a solution or a common
Correct.
understanding, so that's very nice. So in this new format, what did you find today? You've been to almost all of our events, and
Correct.
That's been great.
I missed one. It's been traumatizing to me, but yes.
It must have been. So what one or two things did you hear today that you'd be taking away with you?
I have to stand up all the time. So we had a clinician from Kaiser Permanente who really talked about the value of healthcare and the value of the holistic human, right? It's all about not just about our healthcare, but about our social interactions. There's so many different things that we really need to be involved with. But we really had every session really was a good cross section of people who are actually in the business of whatever topic it was talking about, whether it was security, whether it was interoperability, whether it was population health, whatever the topic was, you had people that actually live it every day, are passionate about it, and really enjoyed it. So the combination of vendors from some of those spaces, people there in the audience that are in those spaces, and the people up there really had great discussions. I mean, today at lunch, you barely could take people away from lunch to bring them back here. And the greatest part about that was people were networking and really enjoying talking to each other. And there was vibrant discussions. If I went table to table, there was vibrant discussions literally at every table on healthcare and on the topics of the day.
That's great. Well, we hope to see you at the next Health Impact as well. Thanks for coming by.
I wouldn't miss it. Thank you so much.